I'm doing this video as part of Who Cares Scotland to let you know the services available and how they can help young people like me. My advocacy worker is called Alison Frizzle. My name's Ashleigh MacDonald. Advocacy always gives you somebody to speak to. It's a voice for young people with different things. It's not as intense as social work meetings when you're getting asked lots of questions. It's somebody that you can trust and build a friendly relationship with. It's somebody to come along to meetings with you if you don't feel confident enough to speak, and panels if you don't feel confident speaking to them. It's not about the budget, it's about making a difference for the young people involved. You get different opportunities like going away to conferences and being involved in different things like organising events. You're not judged on your past. They don't go through all your social work reports before they meet you and find out everything about your past and everything that you've been doing. You're always made to feel welcome, and it helps you build your confidence. In my personal experience, I was having some problems on where to source my leaving care grant. So Alison helped me a lot with getting that. You don't have to always have a problem to meet Alison. You can just come along to have a chat or go for a coffee. It's always a safe and confidential environment, and nothing's ever passed on to anybody without your permission. It can help a lot of young people, and it's helped me a lot. So if you feel like you could use the support or it's something that might be good for you, then please get in touch.